Resort living 1 hour from NYC. Getaway to NJ's largest lake. Spectacular sunrise to sunset views. Deeded dock. Slip. Enjoy boating, fishing, swimming, paddleboard, kayak and more. Low taxes, and unit offers 2 decks. Desirable upgrades and luxurious conveniences. Open floor plan. Elegant moldings, hardwood floors, KOHLER fixtures. Gracious living and dining room with gas fireplace. Gourmet eat-in kitchen with breakfast bar. Extended 7-foot center island. Premium KitchenAid appliances, commercial gas range, custom organized cabinetry with pull-out drawers. Large great room off kitchen with lake views. Wake up to waterfront views in the spacious master suite with tray ceiling, 2 walk-in closets, luxurious bath with jetted tub and dual vanities. Lower level family room or in-law suite with full bath, double closet and potential for kitchen or wet bar. Separate deck,